G'day guys, Adam here for Sentry Batteries. What I thought I'd talk about today is how to maximise the life of your marine battery. One of the biggest problems with any battery is sulfation, and when a battery is not being used, this is the time when sulfation occurs, and this will deteriorate the life of your battery dramatically. But you can do some things to maximise its life. 1. If you're not using your boat for a period of time, take it out and store the battery in a cool, dry place. 2. Make sure your battery is charged above 12.5 volts, ideally 12.7. If it's below 12.5, it's considered flat. It's important to use the correct charger if you're leaving your battery in the boat, and check it occasionally, and make sure you use the maintenance guidelines to keep your battery up to top performance. There is a difference between charging and storing lead acid batteries as opposed to lithium batteries. If you've got a lithium battery and you take it out of your boat, store it at about 40 to 50% capacity. This will minimize capacity loss and maximize battery life. No battery will last forever, but if you follow these simple tips, you'll get maximum life out of your battery and you'll be good to go next time you're out on the water.